Hello, how you doing? My name is Frank.
I'm Rob.
I'm at 151. 151 Moss in Portage, Indiana, right outside South Bend. We are the HVAC guys for Nohas Construction.
Need to switch out, change a furnace from boiler to furnace, we'll do it.
No job too small. What you need done, we take care of it. We have over 20 properties in the area here that we're working on right now. If you're interested, get a hold of Nohas Construction. We accommodate to your preferences. Gosh, you're babbling.
6 days a week, hey, sometimes 7. Don't matter to us. Call us.
We're here to please get the job done right.